Okay, what I do now, I do a quick one here. How to substitute a name if you mistakenly reserve a name mistakenly, maybe with your personal profile, you want to register for somebody. What you do is just click new name reservation. On the new name reservation, normally same thing. If it is a business name, you click on a business name. If it's a company, you click on a company. But if it's a business name, specification is sole proprietorship. Then you type the new name, your new name you want, and let's just say let's go with this. Then I click on save continue. Then right here what you do, reason for availability search. This time around you don't put new incorporation / reason. What you do, click on name substitution. Then when you click on name substitution, they will ask you of the name that you wanted to substitute, which you have already reserved, either the name, the availability code. Then type the very name. Then they will give you a list from what you type. Let me go type the very name here. See now, I want to change this name now with that previous name I wrote, like a Blevis innovative solution. Now click on it. You can see now. Then all of this what you have filled before, you can just choose administrative support. Then this other one, choose anything that best describe the business. Then click save continue, and you preview. Now this is the name that you want to substitute that other one to. Blevis innovative concept, Blevis innovative solutions. Then you click save continue, and thereafter you move on to pay that same 6661.25 kobo. That is how to substitute the name. So that name, don't use this time around, don't use that your personal profile. What you use this time is that general account portal that I gave to you, the longer this day that you will use here. Thank you.